Let me ask you something that might just stop your heart for a moment. When your child looks at a mathematics problem, what do you see in their eyes? Frustration? Defeat? If your answer is yes, then this message was written specifically for you, for us, for every parent, every teacher, every guardian who wants better for the children we love. Here is the most important truth you will hear today. No child is born hating mathematics. Not one. For every parent, teacher, and guardian, no child is born hating math. They are born counting and asking how many. And that curiosity is mathematics in its purest form. Our job is simply to never destroy it. Bring math into their happy moments. Cook together, count ingredients. Shop together. How children meet numbers inside joy, they never learn to fear them. Celebrate effort. The struggle is where champions are built. Connect mathematics to their dreams. Does your child want to be a doctor, an architect, a footballer, a fashion designer? Show them mathematics living and breathing inside every single one of those dreams, not just correct answers. Every time we sigh at a wrong answer, we teach our children that mistakes are shameful. Instead, ask them single one of those dreams. A child who sees math as the road to their dream will never want to abandon it. And finally, the simplest, most powerful tip of all, tell your child they can do it. Loudly, daily, consistently, because the children who are told they are capable pale become exactly that. Thank you.